What's going on, gang? Another video from I Bet Don Will. So, like any other video, let's get right to it. So, today what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be changing the thermostat from the stock one to 180 degrees thermostat. Obviously, I guess mine had failed, but what I noticed is I was driving and I went from basically 203, 205 degrees straight up to about 250, 260. But so like basically I would get the notification on the dash, but as soon as I look, it shows hot, and then it drops right back down to about 170, like 200 range. And I'm like, I don't know, like I thought maybe the computer system was tripping or something. So for about 2 or 3 days it did that, like it just shoot up and then just go back down to normal temperature. I was like, that's weird, but I don't really know what what it could be. So about I'm gonna say like 2 days ago or so, I'm driving and it shoots from 200 degrees all the way up to 270 and climbing. So I'm like, damn, I'm not really sure what's going on. So I continue to drive for about maybe like a mile and a half, hoping they'll do the same thing, shooting up, then shoot back down. But it didn't do that. So I'm like, man, it's weird. So I pull over, pop the hood. I can smell coolant. So whenever I was smelling coolant, all of a sudden I got up and like whenever I'm out there, I was like, it's coolant all over the side of my car. Like all underneath the hood, not at the top anywhere, but I can see it all the way at the bottom. A ton of coolant had leaked, and not only that, my coolant was actually bubbling inside the reservoir. So I'm like, man, I don't know what's going on. So I pull over for a little bit, try to let it drop down, and that was not working because it would drop down to about 214, 215. As soon as I crank it up and start dropping again, basically it was putting me in the same hole to where it's jumping back up to 260, 270. So I went ahead and I cut the heat on so I can get some of the heat coming off the actual engine. It was helping a little bit, but not too much. I was like, trying not to drive too fast, trying to keep the RPMs low. Basically, I just had to, I drove for maybe about another 30 minutes, basically with the temps at like 250, 260. And obviously that wasn't good for the engine, but so far I haven't had anything bad happen, or no extra damage from that. I kind of knew I was risking it, but at that time or not, I really didn't have no other choice. So today we're gonna be changing the thermostat. And I have a tune on the car. Like I said, I still got the same base tune I had last video. I got headers, I got an exhaust, and I also got the Hellcat air intake. I'm not sure if maybe the heat over time had messed up my thermostat, or it could just be something with the 2019 Scat Packs thermostats, because I'm only at 30,000 miles, I believe. Let me see. Yeah, I'm at 31,000. So with that being said, I'm about to drop down to the 180. And like I said, I'm gonna give you guys a quick video on how that is. It's a real simple installation. I did it before on another one of my challengers. I got a new gasket. I got, of course, the new thermostat. And I also have a new I want to say it's like a hose, something like that. I'll show you guys whenever I pull all the material out. But yeah, let's get it. So for the people who don't know, your thermostat is right inside of here. So this is gonna be a brand new piece right here. I'm gonna swap those out. We got, of course, a gasket for it, and we got a Mishimoto. I think I'm pronouncing it right. Mishimoto. I don't think they say the name anywhere else. Oh, there we go. And it says it fits 2006 to 2012, but it actually fits all of them so far. This is the 2019. So this is the thermostat here. Now, of course, I'm gonna take it out the package in just 1 second. Then it switched up. This is what it's gonna look like. So it's installed now, and I guess it's cutting on at about 180 or so. Getting over about 190. My wife will be making this YouTube video, so she think it's cute. Look. See it? She wanted to be me. So yeah, so far everything's good. Usually the normal operating temperature is about 205, but it's been between like 180 and 185 since I've been driving it now. At idle, it's about one. Let's see. But for the most part, we really stand under 200, which is good. Let's see. And then once we start driving again, it's back to about 180, 185.